I had to turn it up a little because they start hating.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me why you wait. The real Breezee TV on. It's that type of day.
Okay. What's up, guys? It's your girl, and we are back. I said we are back on yet another video. And today, we're going to do what, Nick?
Snack crate.
Snack crate. So, if you guys are new to our channel, please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the like button. Comment and share. And if you are not new and you are already a family member, then welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So, let's just get to this snack crate. You want to get up? I don't know at what point you can pull a hop up.
It's when you said the light.
Okay, so we have two snack crates here. I'm going to put this down here. Because, we're going to do this one. This one came first. Let's sit that one down there. Okay. This one said, what?
And guys, we have a special guest. My dad.
We do. Okay. Sorry about that. This one says, Konnichiwa, with my name or whatever. Where's Konnichiwa from? Where's that saying from?
I'm not thinking from China.
No.
You think it's from China?
Yeah.
You think it's from China though?
Japan.
Japan?
Yeah, it's Japan.
Yeah, Japan.
Let's see.
Konnichiwa.
The snacks. These snacks are expired. What? Just kidding. What the fuck? They play now. It says these snacks are expired. Just kidding. They aren't.
Well, what?
Anyway, but you might think that if you don't pay close attention to the date format, to help ease your mind, we have included a handy guide of common international date formats just for you. Okay. So it's from Japan. Your dad might be just a little bit more smart than what I thought he was. Okay. So here we go. We got Japan, and we have. Y'all know I got to do my fun facts.
Oh no.
Okay. In Japan, slurping your noodles is a sign of appreciation and delight. So when you're eating soba, udon, or ramen, remember to let those babies slide. So when you eat your oodles and noodles, you can go.
Everybody do that. Everybody do that.
Okay, so in this snack crate, we have watermelon gummies. First of all, look at this.
Yeah, what?
That one is called, let me see the front of it. This is the, show the camera. Koki Yadan Tacos. A Japanese spin on the Mexican cuisine. These crunchy corn tortilla chips have a unique, tangy, and savory flavor, boasting hints of fresh salsa. Then you have, should we put that in the freezer?
That don't play.
That's
all water.
This joint is
This feels like it's warm.
okay, so this is not, okay, so go put this in the freezer. I don't know. That's not, so that's our beverage. Is this, what is it? Yaokin
Yeah.
Fugashi? It's a
Fugashi.
traditional snack stick. Is made of fried wheat and coated with brown sugar. I can't eat that. While the outside has a crunchy texture and the inside remains a fluffy surprise. I don't know. That's fried wheat. I'm kind of allergic to wheat.
You're allergic to wheat bread?
Mm-hmm. That's why, like, you never see me buy that for the house anyway. Now, what is that? That is, let me see it right. That is.
That way it's so spicy.
Oh my God!
All right. Let's leave it. So we're gonna put this box down here, and if it's something nasty that you don't like, just put it in the box. Yeah, just take it, put it in the box.
Copyright position.
Oh yes. Okay.
I'm bad
Stop.
at this.
Oh, I love this couch. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You and your dad go first. See who go first.
Rock, paper,
Get out of here.
Yes.
Okay, so
You and him?
me and you, okay.
Yeah.
Oh my! Let me pick back every time.
So I go first, of course, and then
You
so
go
all
second
y'all.
and I go third.
No.
Yeah, cause
It's
I.
you hammered than me.
That's too much.
No,
You go
I
first, Nick.
No, I go first.
No, you don't go first.
Let that thing go first.
Big cussing.
Yeah.
Taste first. The gum.
This one.
Which one is the gum? Hold on, let me see. I
This is the
forgot.
gum.
Hold on.
This is gum. Mom.
It was the green joint.
It was the green one. He trying to
What
set
green?
me up.
No, this is the gum.
It's the
The monster gum.
Yeah, he trying to
It's
set me up.
this
That one.
one. So this is
Get
the
over
one,
it.
but it's only 3 in here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and try this.
Oh, and one of them has like a very.
How many in there? Is 3 in there or 4?
3.
Alright, I'll mess up. It's okay.
No, with the split one. Good.
You're gonna split with it.
Yes, I'm gonna split with it. Why do you never wait for everybody else though? Like,
What? It's very soft. Let me go first.
why one of them will be sour? Who got the sour one? You got the sour one?
Okay, I'm gonna pick the next. I'm gonna pick this. I'm picking this one.
Which one is that? That is the
No.
Hager True Grape. High True Grape.
So we gotta eat all this.
You gotta eat all this.
Keep it in your mouth like everything.
I mean,
No.
you
No,
gonna
can
spit out.
swallow it.
You can swallow whatever. It's gum.
Whatever you want.
Let me get.
This is more gum.
You swallowed yours.
Yeah.
Oh my god, why you swallowing gum?
What is that? This is.
Okay.
Gum.
We'll wait
That's
for
not
this
gum.
It's this.
I will wait
No,
for
it's not.
everybody.
Yeah, it's nice to wait for everybody.
Nicholas? Sir?
Sure.
Okay, everybody ready?
No.
Yeah. It smells like gum.
Because it is gum, okay. Mom.
It's candy. It smells like gum.
It's like a,
It definitely tastes like the bubblicious though.
Great.
Great.
I really like it. Mommy go.
Is it gum?
I don't know.
What's doing over there?
They really tasted it.
I'm feeling jump.
It's not gum. It tastes like gum though. You need another one?
Yeah, because I can't really taste it.
I thought you didn't like it though.
I didn't taste it.
It's on.
It's alright.
It's on dog.
It's alright.
This one.
I'm gonna put this to the side. Okay,
Okay.
my turn. Let's see.
Pick what you pick.
Pick.
You have 5 seconds
So
to pick.
many choices.
Yeah.
So many choices. Did I scratch your face? So many choices.
You have 5 seconds to pick.
Listen.
5, 4.
Don't do that. All right, I'm gonna go for the Pritz. Excuse me.
You know how to open them. You open them from the back. Oh,
I was trying to see how you open it.
But you close though, like in my space.
I thought you opened it from the top.
no, you don't.
It said push, and then it says pull, and then
So I think usually you open the top of the box.
No.
well, I think that we should have just opened the top of the box.
Then it will defeat the plan of it. Mom, what are you doing?
There's a lot going on in here. Yeah, but why they give you this little? Oh, so you supposed? Excuse me, sir. Thank you. So I guess you're supposed to tear it all the way down.
Mom.
Complicated bags. Just let me eat it.
Cat. Solid. Smacker. I think like
Why do you never wait for us though? Like
I don't want to wait. You think go just from your parents, like those other two that give us.
this is really good. What is it? Is that like a cheese?
I think I have people for it. I like it.
Ripe tomato, but that's good. Okay.
I heard Nicholas gonna have
What you think, Nicholas? Say you ain't said nothing.
It's alright. It's alright.
it.
It's my turn?
It is.
I'll take this one.
What?
Mm.
Before I have to knock him out?
No. You take one first.
Boy, you trying to sit down or something? These are sour cream.
I'm sure. Shame I had to eat them.
Oh no, it's a shame. Look, I think I'm gonna bite his head off first. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try to zoom in.
That's some syrup. Okay.
It's a turtle. Ready?
I'm gonna say.
No, I put the whole thing.
You don't wait.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Everything? Yeah, I can see.
That is definitely nasty.
That's just grab these and go to my life.
Nope. No, put it back up here. Just know your brothers like to try them. Oh, that is nasty.
Yeah,
I'll put them down here.
I pick it.
yeah.
Okay, you go ahead and eat watermelon.
Watermelons. The watermelon. Say
Milk. These look sour. I haven't been it yet. I'm just gonna take a little lick.
These watermelons?
Wait a second. Mine just popped.
oh, I don't like all that.
So gummy inside. I like it. I'm gonna throw it away, but I still like it.
Okay, who turned it? Your turn.
Mine.
Your turn. Your turn.
We have to pick both because there's only 4.
Well, it's the same thing, really. So hopefully it's two in there.
Yeah, it's 7 each. I felt it.
Okay, so then you and your dad take one, and then me and Nicholas.
No? We're taking one.
We're taking. Oh, because I'm a girl. But Nicholas isn't a girl.
You know what?
And I don't care.
He said he doesn't care.
I'm going to actually. Mom, you take a piece. I'll take a piece. Get this to Nicholas. Nicholas next piece.
Doesn't matter what I eat.
Yeah, this out.
So you gonna give me a piece?
This look like this might be like some strawberry something.
I don't want her.
Ew. Tastes like soy sauce. It tastes like soy sauce.
That's it. You ate that whole thing?
Yeah.
Can you pass to the paper towels?
It tastes like
You nasty. You ate that?
shortcake.
Thank you. Paper towels, anybody?
Eat that from my hand.
Oh, come here. Come here.
Oh, that was nasty.
Yeah, well,
You liked that?
yes. It was good.
Really dark. Shake.
Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna go invisible.
It's my turn, huh?
We're going invisible.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Okay,
They can't see me.
oh, we had this one already. Why is you eating up everything?
Yeah, we'll check them over.
I guess I'll try these.
Yes,
Is that hot?
Yes. I hope so.
Put those in.
What do you say?
Put those in.
The crunchy nuggets have a salty soybean flavor mixed perfectly with just the right amount.
Okay, I'm skipping off
So
of.
this is like a.
Y'all can eat it. I'm skipping off.
You want to eat it?
No, you can eat this.
No.
Why do we have to do this every time we do a snack rate? I'm saying every time we do a snack rate, we have to go through this with him, tell him that he's going to taste it because it's a part of the video. So I don't understand why he goes through this.
Why?
It's a peanut in
I
there.
know I have to do that.
Peanut in there.
Ew, I think they ain't they pink? Oh, it
No.
was just a bag of nuts.
Grab from the chest here.
You need to grab one.
You don't even know if you like one.
Yes.
They look like toys. They look like the spicy panda.
I'm feeling like they might be like pistachios or something.
Dang.
Mm-mm.
Do that.
Ew.
What?
What is that?
I got cake on. I taste the what's the name of it? The brown thing.
You like that?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That is disgusting.
Taste like peanut butter a little bit. Oh no.
Oh no, I'm out. Oh no, I'm out.
Okay.
My
It's
turn.
It's your turn.
You're not allowed to pick that candy.
Mm-hmm. Always.
Doesn't take this because of it. Oh my.
Well, Nick, I'm surprised because Nick always go for the chips first.
That was my next young.
Takes a woman to do a man's job.
These look good. Okay. Smell like salt.
Like salt.
I don't like it.
Oh, them doing banger.
I don't like them.
Them doing banger.
They're disgusting.
They be hit.
It's on you again.
Put some cheese on them.
It's already cheese on them, ain't it?
I don't know what this is.
And I think, is that the same? No. Oh, that's the. Let me see the front.
Mommy,
The
mom.
purple John.
The umabo.
Ooh, my boo.
It's a puff corn snack. The perfect amount of crunch. Available in many flavors. We've included a few of our favorites for you to try.
Oh God, this thing is stuck.
Jesus. What does it give me?
What's that deal?
What are those?
Wait, if I can do the Nick.
Good looking drink.
You got a big. Well, huh, take that piece of that guy.
Oh yeah, they good.
It's
But
messy.
they a little bit hot. You gotta eat.
You know I don't like hot stuff. I don't like hot stuff. How hot is it?
It's not real hot.
It's not. You eat hot sauce in your noodles though. So y'all talking about it's not hot.
I'm immune.
Not at all. It's just
I'm immune, okay?
You what?
I'm immune.
whatever that means. Eat it.
It ain't hot.
It's not.
Said everybody that eats hot
Mom.
stuff all the time.
Mommy, just eat it.
Your turn.
It's not hot.
It's good, actually.
Oh my God.
Small peanut love.
I don't know.
That is
Mom, you really have to do it? You really have to do it?
Where's my glasses?
You don't have any glasses.
That's apple candy.
That's the apple candy you got?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ooh, why?
Oh, you get to make it. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
You get
Let
to
me
mix
see.
something? That's supposed to be hot.
Okay, so you get to make.
It's supposed to be hot.
The mix.
I'm gonna have to edit this part out because my name movie is itching. I don't know why.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom.
Then put it
So this right here already. My
I like it when
teeth.
it's sour.
My teeth is a.
And it's so thick.
No, it's supposed to be useful. It's like, you ever ate a candy apple?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's the candy apple.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Hey,
okay.
where's the skewers?
No, they only give you one.
One skewer?
I do.
Where's all the skewers? I want to stand up for half the
Do
video.
you have to stand up?
Yes.
Sit down.
Sit down. Recording. Okay, so I guess we'll just let KJ take the
First one.
take the stick. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
No. I know.
Yes, I know.
Oh God. I'm like a force to give it. Double sprinkles.
Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna take my little piece of candy and it's too much for me, y'all. Y'all know I can't
All that
do
diabetes.
all
All that diabetes.
all the diabetes.
All the diabetes.
So now, this, get yours.
All this snacking.
I'm gonna eat it.
Oh,
Okay, we done.
right there. I know, don't feel crazy. You got it.
Where's the pickles now?
Probably like yellow, little box feed.
What if you put this in your mouth and all these little things just start popping? Because that's what they look like, the little pop rocks.
Yeah.
Okay, we ready?
They're not pop rocks.
Bon appetit.
You trying to make mine?
No, yeah.
Who
Okay,
what?
they would eat all the candy.
Who what? Jay did?
Okay.
So I feel like this is that's not the same thing as what you just picked.
They gave you Joe. They gave you Joe.
Oh. But they different kinds.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll just try these.
Well, you're gonna try that one. That was your turn, and you're gonna try this one. That's Dick's turn.
That joint look like that. Child.
Come on, we're gonna take that as your turn. We're gonna take this one as Nick's turn.
No, we gonna eat.
Bite it.
We're gonna eat them all now.
Bite it. Jesus.
Wow.
It's hot. Look hot.
Everything
What's
looks
in there?
spicy. Child! What did you do that for?
Oh yeah, because it's too nasty.
Oh yeah.
Done.
Oh yeah. That's good.
This thing.
That's good right there.
Is it?
Yeah. A little hot though. It's like good,
That's nice.
That's not bad.
right?
That tastes like some kind of sour cream or something. Let me just clean up my mess.
Squished.
You squished.
Mm-hmm.
Big body coming through.
You want to open this now? Or
No.
you want to do it for your turn?
No, I want the other one.
This one?
I'll get to go in that one as my turn. Yeah, it was sprinkle.
Shit, it's a what's the name ball.
God, I like the tomatoes. Taste like that.
I know.
Child, can you stop? Can you stop being so slow?
Does nobody look like that?
They shiny.
It looks like M&M's.
Why don't y'all take one?
I'm gonna take one. Okay.
They look like little marbles. Like we gonna bite them, through, gonna break your teeth.
Balls.
The balls. Balls.
Oh.
Eat the balls, man.
You think like M&M's?
Those some
Peanut chews.
peanut chews.
Not peanut chews. That.
M&M's.
Yeah. M&M's.
M&M, they alright. Yeah.
It's not bad.
Hmm?
It's a little different.
Whose turn is it?
That's
Oh,
Cassandra.
okay.
Well,
Well,
you can't eat that.
I'm gonna take a little teeny piece.
A tiny.
No, Mom, you're not taking no chicken piece
No.
today. You're gonna have allergic
You gotta
reaction.
take some parts.
I'm gonna stay out for this one, okay?
Yes.
Just chill back.
Stupid.
Mommy, just chill back.
Here you go, brother. Peace.
There's ice in there? Icing? Oh my god.
Ooh,
God.
guess I'll be sweeping the floor.
Yeah.
Why do it look like
You just take your piece? Yeah.
styrofoam in the inside?
That's good.
Like the thing that comes when you buy a TV.
Debbie on it.
Mm-hmm. What does it taste like?
Peanut butter.
Ew, that's just raw in there.
But did you eat it? No, you did not. You always say you don't like it. You like
That's
it?
nasty.
You ate the whole thing? Was it good?
It dissolved right in your mouth. Don't you eat it.
I'm not gonna touch that.
Here you go, bro.
It's your turn.
Wait, can I go and get the drink up so we can after this?
Yeah, we're gonna eat that right now.
It looks the same.
Be careful.
Is anyone? Okay, I got this.
This seems like it might be extra cheesy.
I
There's
like
cheese
it.
in there?
Not in it.
Y'all two bite it. I mean, y'all two get it. Because I'm gonna bite that.
Over the table.
Y'all ain't gonna want that.
You can't even break it, Lord.
We gotta break
Why you gotta have that big piece?
it. We gotta break it.
Got it.
You guys are crazy.
Oh, you're welcome.
That's nasty. Where paper towels at? There, got it. Oh, that's nasty, but it dissolved in my
It's like
mouth.
a cheese ball. Cheese puff. That's good.
That's nasty.
It's a cheese puff.
That hit.
This is the last thing of all.
It's frozen?
Yes.
Alrighty, let me say.
But not frozen.
It's cold though.
Yes.
That was fast.
I don't need a cup.
No, he don't. He wants to keep. We give him the.
Oh, you check it out the chef?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, big dog. Oh, that's ice. That's ass.
Oh, that's
Well,
My wife. I had to get a little bit.
that's cool. We'll go set up my toys now.
What is it?
We'll find out in a minute.
dude, we're gonna find out in a minute.
Chef.
Oh. You had the ice that was inside the top. That was flat though. Like it was.
Oh, flat.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, we want to welcome and say thank you to Kasim here. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And
Be breezy.
what? Your face ain't moved. Do it over. Do it over.
Be breezy.
Fix your face. Do it over.
Be breezy.
Thank you.
Thank you all for watching. Now I see you on the next one. the next one.